Hey everyone, it's V. You're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is unboxing for scrapdivadesigns.com. This release is massive. Check out all the links listed below. Also, follow the hashtag to gain more inspiration from other talented crafters. This die here is called the Ghost Tag die. It comes with 8 pieces, and there is words on here that you get as well. The sentiments read treat, eek, boo, trick, candy, and scary. So that one's going to be a cute one. I just love that one. The other one is the skull bag topper number 2. It comes with 6 pieces, and as well as some layering, well, not layering, but the base for it, as well as, the top of the piece. So the next one is a bundle. In the past, scrapdivadesigns.com has created these as a bundle. So let's go ahead and move through them really fast. Halloween words number 1, 2, and 3. Number 1, it reads broom, spiders, cravings, cross, fangs, and vampire. Number 2 reads spell, scream, horror, scary, hell, midnight. Number 3 screams. Number 3 reads full moon, shadows, potions, cursed, Dracula. So all of them come with 12 pieces. That next die that I just put down is the skeleton mini album. It comes with 4 pieces. You get the base as well as some layering pieces. I just love that one. The next one is the pumpkin mini album. You get 11 pieces, that is. So you did get 3 backings as well as, 3 backings, and then the front jack-o'-lantern face. And the pumpkin mini album is going to be a cute one. The next one is called skull bag topper, and that's number 3, and you get 6 pieces with that. So there is the smaller bag topper, I believe, and then the bigger bag topper. So I did go over that one, and as you can see, you do get the base. You also get a few layering pieces for the skull. So you can use the bag topper as just a bag topper, and then also use just the face, the skull, as some, like, sending over some die cuts to your swap partners. And the next one is spider bow set. Comes with 10 pieces. I believe you get, let's see here, it looks like 2 different sizes, so it is one of those double layered bows, and then you get the spider webs plus the spiders. And the next one is a fun one. That one is Trick or Treat Memory Decks bag. And that one you get 15 pieces. So you do get 3 mouths, 3 eyes, 3 eyeballs as well. So that one's going to be a fun one, a memory decks card. The next one is the skull mini album. So this is a cute one because you could pair this with the smaller bag toppers as well if you want to, like, give a gift. So it would be the 2 bag toppers plus this one. The skull mini album comes with 6 pieces along with the mini album base, which I'm calling the book. Look, it already has the holes there for you. And moving on to the next one is called Candy Corn Mini Album. It comes with 19 pieces, so you get a lot of little pieces, as well as some sentiments that read scary and sweet. So that one is a nice one to have because you can always use the spiders, the hearts, and the candy corns, as well as the sentiment. Oh, there's another sentiment that reads treat. So those can be used with other coordinating dies. The next one is the poison bottle shakers. It comes with 14 pieces. I love the bones in this, and also it comes with tags that say poison on them, as well as lids. So this one is a shaker, and you can use it as a shaker or not a shaker, as a tag if you'd like. And that one's a fun one. The next one is the Candy Corn Memory Decks card. This one you could pair it with the mini album one. And so, it could be a duo if you'd like. And this one comes with 33 pieces. It comes with so many pieces. You also get some eyes, so you could make a face with this. You also get some candy. and you get the candy corn as well. So lots of different pieces with this one, and you can mix and match with that one as well. The last one is a fun one. I was just looking at some cut files similar to this one, and I just thought it was so fun. This one comes with 5 pieces. It's called Tall Jack-o'-lantern, and you can make this into a box, a bag. You can make it into a pocket. You can make it into a backing for some embellishments. It could be a mini album as well. So much. This is all of the September release here. It is a massive haul, and there's so much to share here. You guys check out scrapdivadesigns.com. The release is going to be released on the 1st, so September 1st. Be sure to set your alarms because her dies go pretty fast, and then you'd have to wait for a restock if that happens. So if anything you see that you like, you would want to definitely get. I'm not just saying that. This is just from being on the design team already. Her dies sell out. I know this already. So if you like something, get it. So I leave you here with all of the demos that I die cut out for you for demonstration. Be sure to stay tuned for the next video for more projects, and I will see you then.